وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.
Oh, how are you?
Good.
What are you doing?
Doing class.
Oh, mashallah. Okay, carefully sit and we will starting now our class. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. Read.
لا الہ الا اللہ رحمت البرکاتہ الرسول.
Read with me. لا
Say it again.
إله.
I didn't hear you.
Read with me. لا إله
لا الہ
إلا الله
لا الہ الا اللہ
محمد
محمد
رسول الله
رسول.
صلى الله عليه وسلم. Okay, what is this letter? Can you see it? What is first letter without any dot? This.
Seen.
Oh, nice, good. Then this one.
Seen.
What's difference between pronouncing?
Seen has no dots and seen has 3 dots.
No, pronouncing, reading style difference. Tell me.
So seen doesn't have an H in it,
Seen.
and seen has an H in it.
Oh, nice, good. Mashallah. Good boy. Okay, very good boy. And this one, what letter now? Tell me this. What is my favorite student name?
Ibrahim.
Mashallah. Okay, what is this letter? What is this word?
Wow.
It's Sad. 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 Can you hear me properly? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Because I turned the volume like all the way.
Sad. What it is?
Sad.
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 Sad. What is this?
Sad.
What it is?
Sad.
Sad. What it is?
Sad.
Sad. Sad.
Sod is gonna have two A's because if it's just SAD, it's gonna spell sad.
Okay, I will read you. I will teach you in easy way. Please wait. Oh, where? I am teaching my favorite student, inshallah, in easy style. I think you are really sad. I am very sad. Okay, yeah, don't be sad. It's sword. This one is sword. Sword. What it is?
Sod.
Sword. Yeah. Don't stop. Sword.
Sod. 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 Dot. Sod. 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 Sod.
Solve your mic. Solve your mic. Please solve your mic.
Stop my mic.
Solve your mic. Disconnect the meeting. After that, again join that. Disconnect and again join it. End the call and again call me on this. Again links join.
Again. So again, call you.
Your voice is not coming correctly. You drop it call and again join link. Drop it please. Again call me.
Okay.
Cut the call.
Again, call me.
Cut the call please.
Okay.
Ibrahim.
Yeah.
I am cutting call, again call me. Still problem in voice problem. Ibrahim, how are you?
Good.
Oh, now correct your voice. Okay, continue please your lesson. You read good.
Sod, 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 sod.
Okay.
Sod, sod,
MashaAllah, very good. How day your yesterday?
good.
Okay. Okay, yesterday's hadith tell me now.
Mm. Red, right,
Righteousness is a good attitude.
right,
Righteousness is a good attitude.
righteousness. Actions are but by intention.
Okay, this lesson we will read tomorrow. Okay, say Assalamu alaikum, call to his sister now.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, goodbye.